Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name. You wanna go where people know people are all the same. You wanna go where everybody knows your name.
Alright, here in Florida with the lawn care nut himself, the left tool could not make it.
Listen, we need to find a replacement. I didn't bring you guys all the way down here to have like only half of the team. I need both sides of the team. So we need a replacement for the left tool.
A stand-in.
Can you make that happen right now?
I don't know. Let's go find somebody.
Alright, well let's see who we can pick up and you know, see what we can make work. Who's that right there?
I don't know.
Whoa, what's with these roads? Hey, you want to be in a lawn care video?
It's been a long time coming, boys. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Long Time Coming. I am in a truck with my main two-man, J Money, aka Lawn Tools, and Allyn, the Huckster, the Hercules. Hey, we're gonna do some stuff today. I don't know. You guys know what we're doing today?
Yeah, you're mowing my lawn for free while I drink beer.
And by me, he means you. We about to find out. First thing I gotta do. Oh, look at that situation. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. I got my main man, J Money, tool, aka Lawn Tools. You know, it works, man. How you feel?
I'm good.
What we got going on, man? What we got?
Energized. We're over here getting ready to do some lawn work. I've seen this garage a time or two.
Yeah. Look, I'm looking at how clean.
Listen, you guys gotta stop playing around. I brought you over here to mow my freaking grass. I didn't mow you over here to do some freaking YouTube.
Yeah. Yes, Daddy. Well, my question is, what's your theory towards it?
Just fun. Because I want to make a comment about burning weed, but I don't know if that would be appropriate.
On my channel.
it's John Perry.
Let's get back here. It's okay. Probably out into the sun.
We got to get it out here. See the sun? That is the Super Recycler. That is a 2018 right there. This is probably, out of all the mowers I've ever owned in my life, the Super Recycler is my favorite. Not necessarily this exact one in the 2012. That's been my favorite mower of all time, but this line of mower, Toro Super Recycler, only available at dealers. That's my favorite mower of all time for cut quality, ease of use, leisurely mow with the personal pace, which is just butter in your hands when you're mowing. I mean, this is just, to me, this is the ultimate mower of anything that you can get right here. Okay, so we pulled out two of my favorite gifts. Now, one of them is from a guy named Chris Thatch. Look at this. Laminated property map. So that was awesome. And
This is what I want in my backyard. I'm done with the Bahee. This is what I need. Look at this. Another pueblo. Hey, all right, Tool. Tell us what you think.
It's a little tougher. Go St. Augustine. I'm walking through a jungle out there.
You gotta say that again. Right?
It's a little tougher, for sure. But this helps. The what is it called? Personal pace.
The personal pace on the Time Master, aka the Big Daddy. That's what I call it.
Does all the work for you. You just gotta turn it around.
so that St. Aug was harder to walk through, huh?
It's harder to walk through than half-inch Bermuda. Just by a little bit.
And just like that, boys and girls, this has been this has been another episode of Time Extra Crispy Bang. Oh, we rapping. Oh, yo, okay. You ready, right? Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's line time coming. I'm not back hunting. I'm coming through the background. Yes, I'm busting. This was just grass cut. Let's say it all too. And if you want some of me, then you a freaking fool. Right tool, left tool. Here we go. But the boys is spitting from the head to their toes. So they move it to me. Arkansas. Here we go. Right to spit them bars.
We out.